Well, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to Xray in Minecraft Java Edition. Let's get straight into the video. So first you'll have to open Google Chrome and search up download Xray for Minecraft. Then you just press this and it should take you into the page, and it should start to download. Then you save it to your desktop. Save. It will download down in the bottom left. After that, you just close this, open your Minecraft, make sure you're in 1.17.1. So make sure you're in latest release 1.17.1. Then press play. Just wait for it to load. Okay, now that it's loaded, you just open your Minecraft, let it go in. And now you go to Options, Resource Pack, Open Pack folder. I already have it in here, but if you don't, you only need to open this, drag the Xray from your desktop and place it in, and then it should do that, and then it will be in. Now it should come up in the available like this. You press that, you do done. And if you want to see really well, you do video settings. Bright, it's normally like this, moody. Do brightness all the way bright. Turn smooth lighting off. And then you go to your world. I'll create new. Okay, it's creating. Now after it's created, you should see this in a few seconds. You can take this off at any time, put it on at any time. If you're like going mining, it's really useful. Like, see the whole world you can see through. It's better if you use a night vision potion. Then if you drink this, you drink it, go down. Like look, you can see lapis, gold, coal, and over there you can just see diamonds and a lava pool. So it's really useful if you're going mining and you can't be bothered to just look for diamonds. Like right in front of me, there's diamonds. It's not hard to do. And if 99% of the time, you will get banned if you use it in a multiplayer world. So I advise you not to use it in a multiplayer world. If you don't want to get banned, you can use it in a world like your own and troll your friends and let them join and stuff. But if you do that in a multiplayer world where the owner where you don't know the owner, you shouldn't do it. Well, that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helped lots of you, because it helped me to figure it out. So bye. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.